In this video, we're going to convert the following decimals to fractions: 0.3, 0.23, and 0.55, and 0.05. So for 0.3, we're going to write that as 3. Now, to make that to become a 3, we'll need to move the decimal place one place that way, and therefore that now will become 3/10, because the 0.3 means 3/10. So it doesn't need to know your number bases across the top. 0.23, again that will become 23, and if we've moved the decimal point 2 places that way, that will mean it will be out of 100. And 0.55, same idea, we can move it 2 places that way, so it becomes 55 out of 100. But this one cancels down. We can see that 5 goes into both 55 and 100. So for dividing the numerator by 5, we get 11. Dividing the denominator by 5, we're going to get 20. And the last one, 0.05, well, this becomes 5 over 100. And again, we can divide the numerator by 5 to get 1. And the denominator by 5 to get 20.